In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete files from Google Drive if your storage is getting full or you just want to tidy things up and remove old documents, photos, or videos you no longer need. This tutorial will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your main Drive page, which might show a mix of folders and files. You can view them either as a list or as a grid, depending on your preference. The steps we're going through will be the same either way. Next, find the file you want to delete. You can scroll through your drive to look for it, or if you know the name of the file, use the search bar at the top. Typing part of the file name or even its type, like document or PDF, can help narrow things down quickly. Once you've located the file, take a moment to make sure it's really the one you want to delete. Deleting moves it out of your regular drive view, so it's worth double checking the name, the preview, or the last modified date, especially if you have similar files. Now, right-click the file. If you're using a mouse, that's a click with the right button. On a trackpad, you can usually right-click by tapping with 2 fingers or holding down a special key while clicking, depending on your device settings. When you right-click on the file, a menu will appear with several options, such as opening the file, sharing it, making a copy, and more. From this menu, click on Remove. This is the option that tells Google Drive you want to delete the file from your main storage area. As soon as you click Remove, the file will disappear from the folder or list you were just viewing. Don't worry though, it isn't gone forever at this point. The file will move to trash. In Google Drive, trash is like a temporary holding area for deleted items. You can usually find it in the menu on the left side of the screen, labeled trash or bin, depending on your region. If you open the trash, you'll see the file you just removed, along with any other items you've deleted recently. From here, you can either leave it there in case you decide you need it later, or you can permanently delete it from trash if you're sure you no longer want it taking up any storage space. Remember, as long as a file is sitting in trash, it may still count toward your storage limit, and it can usually be restored back to your drive if you change your mind. Permanently removing it from trash is what truly clears the space. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Drive, finding your file, right-clicking, choosing Remove, and knowing that the file moves to trash, you now understand exactly how to delete files and keep your drive organized.